we're going to test the amount of energy that is in these different foodstuffs using this technique. Firstly, I'm going to put an amount of water that I've measured, it's 10 cubic centimetres, into my boiling tube. We have to measure the amount of water to make sure it's a fair test. Then I'm going to record the temperature of my water that I'm going to start with. So, the starting temperature of my water is 24 degrees. 24 degrees, I'm writing that down there. Then what I'm going to do is take my piece of food, put it onto a mounted needle, like that, so it's just stuck on there. I need to put it into this flame in order that it actually catches fire. And as soon as it is burning, I then use the energy that is released by my burning food to heat the water. I want to make sure as much of that energy as possible goes straight into this water here. So that's heating up the water. The energy for that flame is coming from the What's-It. It is heating up the tube. I want to make sure that every last little bit of the What's-It is burned. I want to make sure I keep the flame underneath as much as possible. I don't want to waste any of that energy. All of the energy is going into the tube there. It's heating the water up. I don't want to drop it. I don't want to lose any of that energy that's contained within the food. It's going to keep going. It's going to keep going. It's going to keep going as long as possible. Every last little bit until it goes out. Now, the flame has just gone out there. So straight away, I'm going to record again that actually the water's now gone up to 60 degrees. So I started at 24. It's gone up to 60 degrees, which means it's gone up by a total of 36 degrees. If I now repeat that process with different foods, I can compare them and see which one had a lot of energy, i.e. the water gets really hot, and which one didn't have much energy. The water wouldn't go up by very much. And that's how we test foods for the amount of energy.